do you mind turning down your music? I'm about to make a video.
Okay. I like listening to music when I draw. It's relaxing.
Relaxing? What could be more relaxing than the soothing sounds of my voice? Anyhow, I'm Sophie, and you are watching Sophie's vlog. I know what you're thinking. Too good to be true, right? I know when you look at me, you see someone who's got it all together.
Oh wait, you were serious?
Like I was saying, I seem like the picture of perfection. But nobody's perfect, not even me. So today, I am going to share with you 3 of my most embarrassing moments. Yeah, this should be fun. My third most embarrassing moment has to do with Chloe.
Me? What did I do?
You're always making me go to the barn. Chloe, how long do we have to stay here? And the flies, they're everywhere. Ow.
You know, if you help me, we can get done a lot faster.
And go to the mall?
Sure, why not?
Hand me a shovel and point me to the manure. Oh wow, what did I get myself into? Whoa.
There you go. You got your hay for the night and a clean stall. Sophie, are you finished?
Yeah, I just finished. Can we go to the mall now?
Don't you want to go home and take a shower first?
No, I've earned a trip to the mall and I am going. Good thing we came to the mall. That sale was amazing. And you thought we should have went home first.
Well, you know, I thought a shower might have been a good idea.
Sophie? From Sophie's vlog? Is that you? Excuse me, Chloe. I've got a fan. I absolutely love your YouTube channel. I'm your biggest fan. Well, I am pretty fabulous. I just love you. Whoa, that's an interesting smell you have. Really? What? Do I stink? Just a little. Kind of like a petting zoo. Excuse me, I gotta go. Oh no! I was at the barn with Chloe. I usually smell better. Like pie. That was so embarrassing. Why can't you work at a bakery?
Oh yeah, I remember that.
A little warning would have been nice, Chloe. My second most embarrassing moment all happened on stage. I don't like public speaking. I get too nervous. Why did I let you talk me into this?
It's for a great cause.
We're raising money for all of the animals. Bunnies, right?
Horses.
Close enough. You'll do great, Sophie.
Jade's right. You'll be fine. You do this kind of stuff all the time with your vlogging.
Yeah, but that's like in my room with no audience.
What's the worst that could happen?
I could fall off the stage. I could forget my speech. I could get booed. Pick one, Chloe.
You're on in 5.
Thanks a lot, Chloe. Okay, I can do this. I know exactly what to say. My whole speech is written on these cards. All I have to do is read them, and it will be a piece of cake. Our world has a delicate balance that we must preserve for the good of all. Yeah, I got this.
Coming next to the stage is our favorite vlogger, Sophie.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Our world has a delicate balance. Oops, I dropped my note cards. We have a delicate balance that is important for, you know, animals and stuff, and for us. Whoa, it's hot under all these lights. Can I get a drink of water? Please.
Here, Sophie.
Thanks. Oh yeah, where were we? Nature. It's good, right? I mean, who doesn't love a hardwood floor? Oh no, worst nightmare coming true. And why are those lights so bright! I need more water. Uh-oh, I just spilled water on my dress! I'm gonna change into a mermaid. Somebody catch me. Ah! Everything that could go wrong went wrong.
But it was for a good cause. We raised a lot of money for the animal shelter that day, and everyone loved your comedy act.
It wasn't an act. It was embarrassing. And my number one most embarrassing moment is... I don't even know what to say about this one. It's really bad.
Thank you so much for inviting me to the meet and greet.
No, thank you for coming. And it was nice to meet you under different circumstances. I took a shower.
That's good. You do smell better.
Yep, yes I do. All right, well, see you around. Don't be afraid to say hi.
Sophie, that meet and greet was just lovely. You ready to go?
Yes, I am so tired. My face hurts from smiling. Oh, you poor thing. You can just rest in the car. Thanks, Carmen.
Is there any way we can stop by that little bakery and get something to eat?
Sure.
Oh, and Sophie, you've got a little something on your nose.
Really? Oh, how embarrassing. You wouldn't happen to have a tissue, would you?
Sophie, you might want to stop picking your nose.
What?
I promised not to wipe it on the seat. That's why I asked for a tissue. It's not that.
They're recording you. What?
Ew.
Oh no! This is not happening to me. So there you have it. My most embarrassing moment as of today.
Oh, Sophie, I had no idea. Someone recorded you picking your nose in the car?
Yes, Chloe. Not one of my finest moments. But hey, nobody's perfect. Thank you for joining me for my most embarrassing moments. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Sophie's Vlog. Bye! We want to give a shout out to Giraffe Girl 28900. What's up? So, Chloe, what's your most embarrassing moment?
One time at a horse show, I cantered on the wrong lead.
Really? That's your most embarrassing moment?
What? Everyone saw it. It was very embarrassing.
I'm gonna go now.